I'm inside of our van right now because I forgot to do a intro for this video when we were out in Colorado. I just wanted to set some context up for what you're about to watch. We were filming a project in the San Juan Mountains in Colorado. We have been over Ophir Pass before in other vehicles, but nothing this large. We really wanted to take it over and see what it could do, test out the new suspension that we have on it. It was just kind of like a bucket list item for us. So decided to leave a little bit earlier so that we could get a head start, because we really wanted to film the van kind of solo and give ourselves time to set up some shots and things like that. But we ran into some traffic and the group that we were with caught up to us, so we just had to send it up the pass. And basically we just captured as much stuff as we could with whatever cameras we had available at the time. So that's what you're about to watch, is us taking our Ford Transit, built out by VanDoIt and modified by VanDoIt, over Ophir Pass. Let's get into it.
Right now, tell me where to go.
Tell me where to go.
Right now, tell me where to go.
Tell me where to go.
Right now, tell me where to go. Tell me where. Right now, tell me where to go.
We just went through the town of Ophir, and ahead of us is Ophir Pass. We do not have four-wheel drive, but we have all-wheel drive. So we're gonna see how this goes. Might get a little flexy. Yep, front wheels off the ground. Let's go. That thing's sick.
That's clean as fuck.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You'll be able to see the people coming, but it's no way they're doing it. Good luck.
Yeah, take it easy. We're gonna get up more to see if we can get to a wider spot to pull over. Suspension feels great, not gonna lie. Yeah, feels really good. There's some traffic coming down up there, so we're trying to let them come because it's not wide enough for two cars to pass. But we're also getting some traffic from behind, so at some point we're gonna have to jump in line, but you really cannot go too wide on that section. And we have the right of way, but not everyone who comes out here understands that. So we're gonna wait just a hair longer for them to come down, and then we're going up there. I love y'all. We don't see you again, but
We're
gonna be fine. If the Jeep would come down the hill, we'd be fine. So,
Okay, now I'm scared that we're making a goodbye message.
all right, here we go. Sketchy stuff. Got a little bit of a bump coming right here, so hold on. A little bit of a bump. Kind of sit back a little bit, Dana. It's okay if that's in the frame.
Okay.
I just need to see where my right tire is from that lower mirror. What's on that side? Looking good over here. Van's cheap in it, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Doing it, dude. Oh my God.
Yes. Yes. We got some rocks we're gonna navigate right here, so. Alright, hold on, we're gonna have to kind of go a little wide on this. Yes! Oh. That rear claws so well. The rear just rolled up to those rocks, hit it, and it's just like, yeah, let's go. Let's put all 12,000 pounds down on top of these tires.
The fact that we got like 3 mountain bikes and full gear and tow.
Alright, what we're gonna do right now is get through the switchback.
Oh, this is a switchback.
Yeah. This is gonna be I know where my line is right there. I'm going right on the inside. I just don't know if we want to film them going or. Because that thing's. Yeah. I mean, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. It really did feel like a true off-road suspension. I'm happy with it. All right, we got a little bit more street, so once we get through this section, we'll be gravy, but I also don't want to go too fast because I'm not trying to gash a tire.
It's Shelly.
Yep, pretty big screen. If we don't break the thing on this trip, Ian, the new inlet,
Should be good.
yeah. All right, hold on. We got a little bit of a dropper right here. Ooh, he knows. Yep. It's okay, we got a good line. That's it. Ooh, we dragged the back just for a second. Ooh. This is more washed out than it was last time. Ooh, that was a big one.
Something is like about to pop.
I'm gonna have to go a little bit further back to the right. You ready?
There's a Jeep.
Yeah.
Yes.
That.
Oh God, like everything.
It's okay, hold on. We're keeping momentum.
Yes. Boy. You got it?
Yeah, we're good.
Got it.
It's just some of those bigger rocks. These are not big tires, so.
Yeah, no. It's beautifully done. Alright, now I get why people do this. Can do.
Yeah, imagine something that's like way more capable, you know?
Yeah.
I just got hit with a bag full of random stuff. Sorry. I might throw some rocks.
They look so perturbed.
You letting us around?
Hey, y'all made it!
Oh, yeah, well, there was some oh shit moments, but it was fun as hell.
Yeah.
Howdy, howdy.
Nice job. That was saucy, dude. That was so saucy.
Yeah, bro. Now we go down.
Yeah, and it's chill going down. I've literally been trying to do an outro for so long. I'm so rusty right now, but things that are important. First of all, thank you for watching. Second, if you want to learn more about our van, we are going to be doing a van tour in the coming weeks and putting that on this channel. So subscribe if you want to see that and future content. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time.